An item that may need a bit of tweaking. Having a good local tailor can be a valuable asset, as they can help you with simple alterations such as hemming pants or shortening sleeves. By investing a little extra time and money in tailoring, you can transform a great thrifted piece into a fantastic addition to your wardrobe. 8. Maintain good hygiene practices. One concern some people have about thrift shopping is the cleanliness of the items. While it's essential to maintain good hygiene practices, thrift stores often take measures to ensure that donated items are clean and in good condition. However, after purchasing thrifted items, it's a good idea to give them a thorough wash or dry clean before wearing them. This ensures that they are fresh and ready to be incorporated into your wardrobe. 9. Accessorize to elevate your style. Accessories are a cost-effective way to elevate your style and showcase your personality. Thrift stores often offer a wide variety of accessories, such as belts, ties, scarves, bags, and watches. Say pieces can add a unique touch to any outfit, allowing you to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. Don't underestimate the power of accessories when it comes to enhancing your thrifted finds. 10. Donate or swap your unwanted items. As you build your thrifted wardrobe and discover new pieces that better align with your style, don't forget to give back to the thrift community. When you find items in your closet that you no longer wear or need, consider donating them back to local thrift stores or participate in clothing swaps with friends. Not only does this help reduce waste and promote sustainability, but it also allows others to find joy in the items you no longer use. 11. Embrace the art of layering. Layering is an essential technique in fashion, and thrift shopping allows you to experiment and master this art without spending a fortune. Look for lightweight jackets, cardigans, and sweaters that can be layered over your thrifted finds. Not only will layering add depth and dimension to your outfits, but it will also keep you warm during colder months. Mix and match different textures, patterns, and colors to create unique and stylish combinations. 12. Take advantage of vintage accessories. One of the standout features of thrift shopping is the opportunity to find unique vintage accessories. Vintage accessories can instantly elevate your style and give your outfit a retro vibe. Look for vintage hats, sunglasses, ties, cufflinks, or pocket squares that can add a touch of nostalgia to your wardrobe. These accessories often become conversation starters and showcase your appreciation for timeless fashion. 13. Explore beyond clothing. Thrift stores are not limited to just clothing. They often carry a wide range of other items such as furniture, home decor, books, and even electronics. Take some time to explore these sections and see if there's anything that catches your eye. You might find vintage furniture that can be repurposed or unique home decorations that add a personal touch to your living space. Thrift shopping opens up a world of possibilities beyond just fashion. 14. Build a capsule wardrobe. A capsule wardrobe is a collection of essential and versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. Thrift shopping is an ideal way to build a capsule wardrobe on a budget. Focus on finding quality staple pieces that can be easily paired together. By investing in a few timeless items, you can create a wardrobe that is both functional and stylish, with the added benefit